Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you my watermelon plant. I didn't plant it, it's grew it from kitchen scrap. So I have this big plastic container. I bought spinach from Sam's Club and I use it as a container. I had in this container actually kale plants, like this kale. Those kale eventually died. They didn't make it. They didn't like this container at all. My another kale is on a 1-gallon pot. This is very old plant. Looks like I'm gonna have new shoots here. I had two actually. Another one died. I got a lot of flowers on this one. I didn't pollinate it because I wanna see if it's gonna pollinate by themselves. And I got one watermelon here, and it's not really big, it's quite small. And I made a picture when it was small like this, because by this size you already know it is pollinated and you will expect to have a watermelon. So I made a picture. It's actually, I realize you can mark to have some label when it was pollinated, and then you count like how many days. It's usually 45 days for watermelon, but we don't know what kind of variety is this one. You see, it doesn't have any stripes, it's just green. I don't recall buying green watermelon, or maybe I did. I don't know what exactly. It was seedless variety for sure, but even seedless variety will have occasional seeds. I was putting skin from watermelon here and probably got some seed. It did germinate and I got this plant. So I made a picture of this one 29th of July and today is 12th of September. So it's very close to have 45 days, but I'm guessing I will need to harvest it soon because you see this tail. And if you can see, it's already starting to dry out. It's not green. That means nutrition anyways do not go to that watermelon. And I might need to harvest it and taste it. It's very, very personal watermelon. But at least I got this with zero efforts from my side. All I did for this plant, I was watering it. That's it. And you see, this is very small pot. If you see the size of this one, not much. And you see I'm still doing some, this is coffee grounds, some skins from fruits, and I have even some plants coming from here because it's usually you anyway will get some plants. And occasionally I have to remove all these weeds because that's a competition. We don't want to have competition for such a small container here. I don't know if this plant probably won't make it. I got this new sprout, but you see I got something here and something already ate all these leaves. So I'm thinking I'm not gonna get any watermelons from this plant. And of course it's already used all nutrition from this small container. But see, I was surprised it's possible to get it. And I'm sure this plant didn't get their roots to ground because I have this lid on the bottom and it's preventing to get roots going to ground. But this is one thing to consider. If you have holes on bottom of your container, your plant eventually will find that holes and will get roots to the ground. But you won't be, in this case, you won't be able to move your container. It's gonna be here. So I will have updates once I harvest these watermelons. Probably will harvest today or tomorrow, because you never know if any creature will find it and eat it. So you're gonna be fast. See you later.